Namaste. So I welcome you all to the Department of Kaumara Vrityam. The term Kaumara Vrityam in Ayurveda implies the pediatric care or the basic medical needs which we provide from the part of Ayurvedam towards the well-being of the baby. Here in this department, myself Dr. Arun, I am the Associate Professor and Department in charge, and I have one more colleague with me. And here, coming to the part of Kaumara Vrityam, we teach Kaumara Vrityam for BAMS students after completing their basic training in the Chikitsa, that is the treatment protocols which they are trained before getting equipped with the basics of the pediatrics. And here in the department, we have certain facilities, the charts, the specimens and all are, we are well equipped with all those things which has been mentioned in the MSR according to CCIM. And I would like to introduce a few specimens here in the department. Here in the department, we have made a model of traditional medicine box which was used by the traditional Bala Chikitsakas. And here in this medicine box, we'll be having a set of medicines which can be used according to the condition of the baby. Prepared a model of Kumara Agaram. Kumara Agaram is a primitive concept which was utilized by the Ayurveda physicians or Ayurveda pediatricians in maintaining the proper health of a newborn baby. Currently, the concept of NICU and all had come from this concept of Kumara Agaram. So, along with the normal departmental activities, including the class taking from the colleges, clinical training of BAMS students, Department of Kaumara Vrityam at Ashtangam has organized 3 main programs which is running successfully nowadays. Out of this, the first one is known as Suvarna Bindu program. In this Suvarna Bindu program, what we usually do is we used to advise medicated ghee as well as honey along with the purified Suvarna Bhasmam. It is intended to increase the immune status or to modify the immune status of a baby, and we have enough number of patients for the same. We used to administer during the Pushya Nakshatra as well as on second Saturdays, as the demand of children who are coming to the OPD for Suvarna Bindu is increasing. We are giving it on second Saturdays also. And the second program, it is known as Venal Tumbigal. The Venal Tumbigal, in the Venal Tumbigal program, normal children, normal school going children will be they will be given admission here in the hospital, and we'll be training them the basics of daily routine, including the concepts of Dinacharya and Ritucharya, along with the fundamentals of the preventive care, and they'll be given training in the first aid, what they have to do when an emergency situation happens in their home. All those things are covered under the concept of Venal Tumbigal. And the third program, it is known as Sukha Shaishavam. Sukha Shaishavam is a program through which we caters the needs of normal school-going children in and around our institution. And the children from school, they used to visit our OPD, and after proper examination and all, we used to advise them the basic needs or the basic medical care that they are in need of. Or on the other hand, we'll be advising them the Dinacharya Ritucharya concepts again. And a medical certificate will be issued from the Department of Kaumara Vrityam, and they'll be getting a chance to get exposed to the basics of or the basic provisions of a medical college, including the anatomy department, ENT department and all. And in the hospital section, we have the provision for a newborn baby care attached with the labor room facility. Here we have an infant warmer along with all the needs, all the necessities which are required to take care of a baby immediately after birth as well as during their early period of life.
We have a separate Panchakarma section for the children here. Usually it becomes a very tedious task to conduct all the treatment procedures in very small kids or children with special needs. But we have made special arrangements here, and with our team of experienced masseurs, the work becomes a lot easier.